what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the WinnersCircle podcast. Again, guys, here at SourcifyDigital, we are in the business of bringing more business to your business. All right, guys, in this podcast, I wanted to go over something very important, especially if you're a business owner, startup company. You're already in a situation where you already have multiple employees, or maybe you don't have any employees, you're a startup company, but at least this is some good information to help you set a solid foundation financially for your business, okay? So this has nothing to do with personal asset or like anything personal. It's all strictly for the business, right? So in this podcast, I'm gonna show you how to get a business loan. A lot of people have a huge misconception of the business loan. And if you're taking notes, please take notes. In order to obtain a business loan, okay, there's a lot of things required. What the first and most important thing is I want you to understand the concept of the business loan, right? Because they say it's a business loan, right? SBA, whatever, all these paycheck protection stuff that you're seeing. If you've never experienced with a business loan or how that works, pretty much you need to understand there's two sides to the coin, right? You need to first understand that there are two types of, there's business credit or business, business bureaus, right? Because you have two, when it comes to credit, right, and loans and mortgages and stuff like that, if you're not too familiar, I know it gets very technical, but like, for instance, if you're trying to get a mortgage, right, it's a personal loan. So pretty much there is a personal guarantee on that loan. Pretty much they can go after your personal assets, right? And your personal credit score can drop, which sucks because at the end of the day, like let's say you're a startup company, you're using all your personal credit, you're dinging that credit score, right? Like, because most startup companies, you have to use your own credit, your personal credit. But over time, people don't realize that is actually not the best way to go. You want to keep your business credit and your personal credit separate. So there are two types of bureaus, right? There is like the personal credit, which is like the Experian, your FICO, your personal FICO, the TransUnion, these kind of your personal credit. And then there is the business credit, which is two separate things. And then the reporting for business, the business bureaus or business credit bureaus is Dun & Bradstreet. So you pretty much, you set up your account with them, you create a DUNS number, and you register your business with them. So whenever you get any kind of business credit, lines of credit, business loans, merchant cash advances, 9 times out of 10, based on the lender, you'll be able to report that to the Dun & Bradstreet, which is your business credit bureau, not to the personal credit bureaus, right? Like the TransUnions and stuff like that. So you got to understand there's two different worlds here. So how do I get a business loan? These are the requirements in order for you to obtain a business loan. First of all, you have to be at least in business for 12 months or at least a year, right? Minimum. Another requirement in order to get a business loan, small business loan, whatever type of loan, merchant cash advance, doesn't matter what it is, something pertaining towards the business specifically. You definitely have to be making a minimum every month as a business. And I believe the minimum to even be eligible for any type of business loan or any business loan worth getting, I believe your business has to be at least grossing every month at least $10,000 to $15,000 a month. Now, another thing is how do the business loans also report that, or they kind of you definitely also have to have a business bank account. That's another very important thing. So these are the three main things. You definitely have to be in business a year, no less than 12 months. You have to be making at least anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 in gross revenue, and you have to have a business bank account. Okay, and your business bank account, I believe, also has to be at least open for like 3 or 4 months. I mean, if you open it tomorrow and your business is booming already, and you could just have your deposits going to that business bank account. So how that works is when you're dealing with a business lender that's going to lend you money for your business, they do it based off your business bank account. So 9 times out of 10, when you're going to apply for a business loan, they're gonna ask you for these things like how long you've been in business, how much revenue is your company making, and do you have a business bank account? Because that business bank account is where they're gonna pretty much determine your lending abilities or your borrowing abilities. Can you afford to pay back this business? Can your business pay back the loan? Because at the end of the day, they're looking at the strength of your business. Now, moving forward, just so that you guys know, also, if you guys are looking for one or you want to apply for a small business loan or any merchant cash advance, we do have a sister company called SourcifyLending.com. I'm going to put a link in the description. You just go to SourcifyLending.com. You fill out the application, and one of our reps is going to be in contact with you. Again, we are a marketplace, so we're not direct funders or lenders. What we have done is, since we're a marketplace, we pretty much, since we're a B2B industry, we wanted to partner up with some of the top lenders in the fintech industry. So we created a sister company called Sourcify Lending, so that business owners that we deal with through our SourcifyDigital company. If you're a business owner, maybe you need marketing and you can't, you just don't have the capital. I want to be able to help you get a loan. Like anything we can do to get your business off the ground, we're doing everything possible. So fortunately enough, we partnered up with a couple lenders. These are direct funders, the lenders in our network. But again, we are a marketplace. We're not the ones actually lending you the capital, but we have a team of lenders exclusively that, fortunately enough, right now in the industry, these guys are the ones giving out the best interest rates. I'm talking about the funds in your account next day. Like, these guys are the best. And just go to SourcifyLending.com. You'll see the application, and just upload the necessary documents, which is business bank statements. Oh, that's another thing I forgot. Not only do you have to have a business bank account, but also you need to provide at least the last 3 to 4 months of your business bank statements, because that's how they're able to determine your business these last few months. Like, if they see a huge decline in gross, 9 times out of 10 they're not going to lend you any capital. But if they're seeing a constant growth or consistency in your business, like in your business bank statements, like cash flow into the business, you're more likely to get a loan for the business. So, and the beauty about this, guys, you definitely want a business loan. Get a business loan if you're eligible, because that not only, depending on your personal credit, the interest rates are probably nuts. But at the end of the day, you're building business credit, which down the road, whenever you need more capital for the business, when you want to hire more people, now these lenders, just like any other credit, just like your personal credit, the more the more trade lines you get, or the more credit cards you get, and you can determine and show over time that you can make these payments, they're going to lend you more money. Same concept. The only thing is it's for the business and it's separate, which I'm already short on time. But I wanted to just kind of go over how to get a business loan, the basics. But I am going to be doing more content on business loans and strategic ways for you to kind of, to position yourself for success in getting a business loan and getting the best rates. So guys, again, go to SourcifyLending.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast. Again, our goal is to help bring more, we're in the business of bringing more business to your business, and any kind of value we can provide, we're here to help. All right, guys, see you on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Again, welcome to the WinnersCircle podcast. I'll see you on the next one.